This is the Cuisinart Grind Central Coffee Grinder. It's enough for 18 cups with a built-in safety lock. Stainless steel blades, and it has a nice, convenient cord storage as well. And it also includes dishwasher safe bowl and a lid. If you love your coffees in the morning, this is really good for you. Me and my fiance use this as well. It's also really easy to operate with a simple on and off switch. The coffee grinder has removable stainless steel bowl for convenient cleaning, and it's also dishwasher safe. I love how it's lightweight and small, so I can fit it in small areas on our countertops and tables. Haven't had any issues with this at all. Really highly used, and yes, I highly recommend this. I hope this review video helps, and I hope you have a nice day.